How to buy alpha token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It released 2 days ago. It increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 67%. That's right, that's good. So to be able to buy this token, but before that, as you can see, this token it's trending between 9 and 10 in this screener. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Go and open your Phantom wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, in Phantom wallet, you can't be able to find it there. So try the Bitkit wallet. It can be working here. So here, select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. So it's available on Bitkit wallet. So click on this plus icon, go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So this is it, click on it. Now here, click on swap and switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy alpha token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.